So today, we're taking a closer look at the OnePlus Ace Ultra, a phone that, on paper, already looks insanely powerful. From a massive 8600 mAh battery, a sharp AMOLED display, all the way to a flagship-level Dimensity 9500 chipset, this device is clearly aiming to deliver both performance and endurance in one package. But of course, specs don't always tell the full story. So in this video, we're going to break it all down, from design, display, camera, performance, and everything in between in a simple and easy to understand. Starting with the design, the OnePlus Ace Ultra comes with a clean and modern look. It uses a glass front protected by crystal shield glass, paired with either a glass back or eco leather finish and an aluminum frame. It weighs around 217 to 219 grams with a thickness of just 8.5 millimeters, which is actually pretty impressive considering the huge battery inside. Another nice touch is the IP66, IP68, and even IP69 rating, meaning this phone is not just splash resistant, but also protected against dust and high-pressure water. Moving on to the display, this phone features a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 1272 by 2772 pixels. It supports a 165 Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling and animations feel extremely smooth. Brightness goes up to 1800 nits peak, and it supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, so watching videos on this device should look vibrant and detailed. With a screen-to-body ratio of around 89.3%, the bezels are quite thin, giving it a more immersive feel. Now for the performance. The OnePlus Ace Ultra is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset, built on a 3nm process. It features an octa-core CPU, including high-performance cores running up to 3.5 GHz, combined with the Mali G1 Ultra MC12. For memory, you get up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options up to 1 TB using UFS 4.1, which means faster loading times, smoother multitasking, and overall, a very responsive experience. Let's talk about the camera setup. On the back, you get a dual camera system, a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and OIS, plus an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. It supports video recording up to 4K at 30 or 60 FPS, and even slow motion at 240 FPS in Full HD. On the front, there's a 16-megapixel selfie camera that can record 1080p video at 30 FPS, good enough for video calls and casual content creation. One of the biggest highlights of this phone is definitely the battery, a massive 8600 mAh. This is way above average and should easily last more than a full day, even with heavy use. And when it comes to charging, it supports 120-watt wired fast charging, plus additional support for fast charging standards like PPS and PD. For additional features, the OnePlus Ace Ultra comes with stereo speakers, an under-display fingerprint sensor, and full connectivity support, including Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC, and multiple GPS systems. It runs on Android 16 with ColorOS 16, offering a modern and customizable user experience. So overall, the OnePlus Ace Ultra brings a really interesting combination of performance, battery life, and display quality. It feels like a device that's built not just for speed, but also for long-lasting usage, which is a lot of people are looking for these days. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.